Welcome to the adrenaline-pumping realm of neurotechnology, where the boundaries between minds and machines blur. Human thoughts can command devices, and mental capabilities could potentially transcend natural limits. No, this isn't an excerpt from a science fiction tale, but a fascinating reality pursued by daring neurotech businesses worldwide. While one name, Neuralink, by billionaire Elon Musk, frequently takes center stage, it's not the lone warrior in this thrilling race. Brace as we delve into this exciting world and meet the formidable competitors vying for supremacy. Among the many challengers to Neuralink's throne is the Austin-based Paradromics. This company is developing an electronic brain implant that aims to restore the ability to communicate for those who have lost it. Paradromics' unique strength lies in its focus on practical applications for people with severe disabilities. However, it faces the uphill task of proving to the Food and Drug Administration that its technology is safe and reliable. The European front is also bustling with activity. Companies like Bios, Surrogate, and MindMaze are making significant strides in understanding the language of the nervous system and aiding those with neurological disorders. Bios in particular stands out with its focus on extracting data from its implants, while Surrogate is carving a niche for itself with software-based interfaces to improve existing brain implants. However, these European startups face the challenge of gaining wider recognition for their achievements. Across the Atlantic, the biotech startup Science, co-founded by Neuralink's former president Max Hodak, is making waves with its Science Eye program. This program is designed to restore sight to blind patients and is expected to begin human testing soon. One of Science's unique strengths is its Science Foundry platform, which offers tools and services for companies building medical devices. However, the company must navigate the intricacies of medical device regulation and prove the effectiveness of its technology. Several other companies are also pushing the boundaries of brain-computer interface technology. BlackRock Neurotech, a veteran in the field, has been testing its technology in human patients for nearly 2 decades and has received FDA Breakthrough Device designation for its Move Again BCI system. ClearPoint Neuro and BrainGate are also working on similar technologies. Meanwhile, Neurable and NextMind are striving to make neurotechnology more accessible. Each of these companies brings unique strengths to the table, but they all share the common challenge of making this complex technology safe, reliable, and user-friendly. Another company to watch is Precision Neuroscience, which recently conducted a successful clinical study. Its neural implant system, the Layer 7 cortical interface, provided a high-resolution rendering of patients' brain activity in real time. Like its competitors, Precision faces the task of receiving FDA approval and demonstrating the safety and effectiveness of its technology. In addition to these companies, there are many others such as Emotive, Kernel, MindMaze, Neuroski, Neuropro, Neurable, and more. Each of these companies is developing unique technologies and solutions in the field of neurotechnology, presenting stiff competition for Neuralink. In conclusion, the future of neurotechnology is a thrilling race, with numerous competitors, each with their unique strengths and challenges. While Neuralink may be the most well-known name in this field, it is by no means the only player. From Paradromics' practical applications for severe disabilities to Bios's focus on data extraction, from Science's platform for medical device builders to BlackRock Neurotech's decades of testing, the competition is fierce. And as these companies continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what is possible, one thing is clear: the future of neurotechnology is not a question of if, but when. And when that day comes, it won't just be about who crossed the finish line first, but also about the unique contributions each competitor made to this groundbreaking field. As we conclude our journey today at AI Future Hub, remember that you've stepped into the future where artificial intelligence shapes possibilities. Hope you've benefited from our cutting-edge content. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time. Show your support by hitting that like button. Share our videos and spread the future. Don't miss your chance to be with us again on this journey by subscribing, liking, and sharing. Until next time, keep exploring the future with us.